Hello everyone, this is going to tell you how to create get and post API by using http in Node.js. Yeah, let's start. First we need to import that const http here require, and we need to import http. It is coming from Node.js. You don't want to install any npm package. After that I'm going to create a http server. So first I'm going to add one const, and here http.createServer. It will accept two param, one is request, another one is response. After that we'll do some API inside this. Before that, now I'm going to create a port by using this server dot listen. Just going to use 3000, and you just add whichever port number you want, and I just adding console. It's like running. Okay, and now our port is ready. I'm going to create one get API. Here I just add if condition, and this request just add that here dot method. I'm just checking whether this is get or not. Get API, and also I want URL. It's like request dot URL should be like slash, or for my case I'm just adding this slash. In your case you just add whichever URL you want. Okay, first I just send sample text. It's like response dot end. Here end is used to send response. Okay, coming from get API. Save this. Now we need to run this. Just type npm start. It will run our project. See, we got this running in the terminal, and you just see this all videos, then only you will know about how to create and run the Node.js project. Okay, after that I'm just going to trigger this API. Okay, so here I'm just going to trigger this local and our port number, and if I click on send, it should be get. Okay, see, we got this message as a response. If you want to pass anything, it's like just creating one user list, because whenever we doing post, I'll insert data into it. Okay, into this users. It's like name will be, it's like a age also 23, like that. I'll create too many. This guy having 26 and will be 28. This should be B and this should be C. Yeah, now our user sample data is ready, and now I'm just going to remove it. Instead of that, I'll just pass json.stringify. Need to convert this user to string, and I'm just passing this. Okay, let's save that. If I save, this terminal is not getting update, because I'll show you. See, right now if I send, till now we get the old one, we didn't get this user. Okay, so we need to terminate this and we need to start. Now our updated code is ready. See, now we got this user's data. In upcoming video I'll add nodemon. Those are all things to listen. Code change. For now I just proceed with this way. Now our get API is ready. Now I'm going to create a post API. Else if, same thing, just copy this, just paste that here. It should be post, and here it's like users. Okay, first I'll just add a body. Initially it's empty. Now I'm going to listen that. Listen means it's like whichever we passing payload, we need to listen here. Okay, so request dot on and data and chunk arrow function inside this body, and I'm just concatenating the chunk dot toString here, converting the payload to string. Here we will get a payload, and here I just concatenating the payload because sometime we will get multiple line of payload. Right now we just passing only name and age, and in real time scenario we'll pass many value like this, so that in that case it will add only the last line. That's the reason we just merging everything, then we'll just put that inside this body. Okay, here we just requesting that payload. Right now I'm just doing process. It's like whenever user sending name and age, I'm just push that value to here, and we'll just sending the updated user to that user. Okay, so here request dot same thing on. Here I'll just add end comma arrow function. Here I'll just console the body. It's like json dot parse and this body. First I'll just console, just terminate this and just run that again. Here we need to change this to post, and we need to pass this. We need to trigger this endpoint. In body we need to pass some raw data, and it should be JSON. Here I'll just create one object with the name. It's like D, and age should be it's like 34. Now our payload is ready, and if I click send, you won't get anything. Here it's like failing. Oh, here spelling is wrong. T or string. Now it is correct. I'll just run this again. Send. See, our payload is ready. This console is getting printed, but continuously it's like waiting for the response. So we need to send response. Okay. So here I'll just push this data into this users. Okay. So here dot push whichever we having in that body. Oh, I'll just cut this, put this in one variable const new data, and copy that and paste it here. Now we pushed our data with the existing one, and I'll just send some response dot end. Here json dot stringify, and I'll just send message. It should be it's like data added successfully, and with this new data list. Okay, users, this one. Just click on save, just terminate this, just run this again. Now I'm just passing this one. Okay, click on send. See, our data is added. We got latest one, and also if I change this to E, and it's like 37. If I click send, you can able to see the old one with new one. See, this is what our response, whichever we passing here. This is message, and this uses data. Yeah, this is how you can create a API by using this HTTP in Node.js. Yep, this is what I tried to tell in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.